Hello everyone, this printer is Canon TS3750i. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to a wireless network. What you need to do is you need to press this button for 3 seconds, press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, then release the button to wait for 2 lines to highlight. Now it's showing us 2 lines and the Wi-Fi icon. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. We want to connect this with mobile phone and also add it to computer. To connect this printer to a wireless network, you need to install Canon Print app from Play Store, or you scan this QR code and follow the instructions. So install Canon Print app, then open the app. This is Canon Print app. Then select add or search a printer. Then select next. Then select if my printer is not found. Cannot find my printer. Is your printer listed below? Then select no. Then choose connection method. Does your printer have a button like this? Then select yes. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds, which you have done. Then select confirm, click next. Then wait for the printer name to appear. Then select the printer. This may take about 3 minutes. So wait for printer name to appear. The printer name appeared. Set up Wi-Fi for the following printer. Then select OK. When the printer is dictated on the next screen, tap the button to connect. Select next. Connect to device. Select connect. Processing. Will also show you connected and processing. So it's going to search for available Wi-Fi network within the environment. The printer will be connected to the following wireless router SSID. Then select yes. Select yes. Saving. Communicating with the printer. This may take 150 seconds. If you look on the printer on light is flashing. Once it's connected, the light will be steady. So the light is steady. The printer is connected. You can see the recession is now steady, but you need to wait for the process to complete on the mobile phone. So this printer is connected. We show you try this out. Close this. This is the printer. To print document out, select document prints. Then select documents. Then select the document you want to print out. It's processing. This is 2-page document. To print this out, select next. I want to print double-sided, but we're going to do this manually. So we're going to print page 1 to 1. Page 1 to 1. To print first page, select OK. Then select change settings. Select number of copies, 1. The paper A4, same as original, media type, plain paper, color mode. We want to print it in color, 2-sided, simplest. Then you go back, then select print. So after the first page is printed out, we're going to reload the paper on the rear thread to print out the second page. So we're going to print double-sided manually. it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. Then reload this document with the printed out already facing at the back. And also select OK to confirm the paper as A4. Then the next thing to do is we select next, select pages, page 2 to 2, 2 of 2. Then select OK. Then select change settings, select number of copies, the paper as A4, same as original, media type, plain paper, duplex, simplex, then go back, then select print. This is the document printed out two-sided. Then select OK. Delete the conversation, then select OK. From this app, you can scan document as well if you like. After you connected this printer to a wireless network with mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, the next thing to do is you need to go to laptop start, then go to the settings, select printers and scanners, add a device. It's going to search for available printer on the network, and the printer is found TX3750 series, multifunction printer, inkjet printer, and scanner. Then select add device. It will show you connecting. You need to wait until it shows you installing and ready. The printer is installing, so the printer is ready. You can print a test page to confirm that the printer is working. I'm going to close this, then go back again to the laptop settings, select printers and scanners, then select the printer Canon TS3750 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer starts to idle. Select print test page. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Canon TS3750 series on laptop, Windows x64. I want to show you how to scan document as well. Select scanner settings, then open scanner. This is the printer. To scan document, put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner face down, and make sure the document starts from the top left side. You will see arrow on the left side of the printer. Close the cover. Then select source. So printer is selected. Source, flatbed, file type, PDF, show more. Resolution, you can scroll down to select resolution, maximum 600 dpi, 300 selected. We want to save the file, save file to documents, then select scan. Select view to view this document. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select print icon on top. Scroll down to select the printer Canon TS3750 series. Then you select all. Select the color. Want to print this in color. More settings. Select the size of the paper. size, fit to printable area. You can select print on both sides if you like, but this is one-page document, so we're going to print on one side. Then select print. This is the document we scanned, save it to the computer, and print it out. Another way to add this printer, we're going to use Canon Print app. Then go to Laptop Start, go to Microsoft Store, install Canon Print app on your laptop. Download it and open the file. Download it and open the app. Download it and open the software. This is Canon Print app. The next thing to do, you need to scroll to the side to select the printer. This is the printer, Canon TS3750i series online. So this is how to connect this printer to a wireless network. From Canon Print app, you can print documents, you can print photos, you can scan documents. Thank you very much indeed.